So circuit number 1 has been cutting off on low pressure. Circuit number 2 is currently engaged and running. But circuit number 1 is off on LP. Now here's the standing pressures right here. I'm gonna go ahead and manually push in the compressor contactor, which is this one right here. And then we're gonna see what the pressures looks like. Okay, but before I push the contactor in manually, just so you know, this is 460 volts, pros only. I'm gonna go ahead and check the amperage draw on circuit number 2. It's 38 amps. Oh, 42. The middle one is pretty high. 39. Okay, well I guess it's within tolerance. Okay, so now that's off. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna punch this. I'm gonna punch this with my screwdriver. What do you guys think? Comment in the comment section. Help me to diagnose this for me. Got to be very careful with this. This ain't no beginner nor do-it-yourself or DIY stuff. This is pro level stuff. Alright, pro level shites. Okay, do-it-yourself or stay away. Beginner, also stay away. You can get seriously injured right here just from doing stuff like this if you don't know what you're doing. You want to engage your contactor manually, you got to be a pro. What I'm doing right here. Alright, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to apply the remedy which I think is a problem. And I'm going to do a part 2 of this video with applying that remedy. And if you guys think you're correct, wait for part 2 to see what I'm going to do, what I think, because I'm applying my remedy. I want to see what you guys think. Alright, so I'm applying my remedy. While I'm applying my remedy to this solution or to this problem, I'm going to do a video on it and I'm going to upload that video. And then you guys could see if, you know, all of you who was right or who was wrong, whatever. It's a learning curve. Alright, let's just do it. Comment.